What costumes are Robin and Daisy wearing? Astronaut, artist, bird, or robot? Who do Robin and Daisy meet first? Mommy bird, daddy bird, sister bird, or baby bird? What happens to baby bird? Is baby bird stuck or is free? Do Robin and Daisy pull and pull? Yes or no? What members of the bird family help first? Brother bird, sister bird, granny and granddad bird, or mommy and daddy bird? Just after daddy and mommy bird help, is baby bird free? Yes or no? How many people help free baby bird? 2, 4, 6, or 8? When is baby bird released? After the help of Robin and Daisy, mommy and daddy bird, granny and granddad bird, or brother and sister bird? At the end of the story, is baby bird free? Yes or no? At the end of the story, is everyone happy? Yes or no?